Selling digital products is easy with the right tools, right? Well, stick around and I'll show you exactly how to create, market, and sell digital products without the stress and overwhelm. And I've also got a free tools list to give you and a hidden bonus tool tip that I didn't have time to cover in this video. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Jo and I help creators with digital products, passive income, and tech. Okay, so here's the deal. When I started out as an entrepreneur, I made a really big decision. I didn't want to have a massive team. I didn't want to have endless meetings, and definitely no worrying about things like sick leave or last minute holidays. Having that kind of responsibility just wasn't my vibe. And instead, I really wanted to run a business that was flexible, stress-free, and actually fun to run. And here's how I made that happen. Tools. Yep, that is my absolute secret weapon, and it is how I run my business. They're basically like a dream team that never calls in sick and always gets the job done. And finding the right tools, it is essential if you want to run an online business in this day and age. Each tool will play a critical role in creating the perfect final product. You can't just throw things together and hope for the best. But the good news is that I've already done all the trial and error for you with these tools. That's why I actually created that free tool list, which is basically a huge collection of all of my favorite resources to basically simplify your journey and fast track your success. And you can download that in the comment section below of the video. Okay, let's talk about some tips on choosing the right tools, because choosing the right tools can feel really, really overwhelming because there is so much stuff out there, but it really doesn't have to be stressful. The first thing you want to do is you want to start small. Don't try and get every single tool all at once. If you just begin with the essentials that solve your biggest challenges, say for example, if it's design, you can use Canva, or if you want to do funnels, you can use something like System.io. And the thing is you can always add and grow your tools list as you grow as well. The other thing that I can highly recommend is that you test before you commit. So lots of tools offer like free trials or free plans, and you just want to take complete advantage of that and test that tool to make sure that it fits with your workflow and your vibe, and just make sure that it's really exactly what you're looking for. Now, it seems silly when I make this point, but some tools don't even offer free trials. They will actually ask for your credit card up front. And I don't really like going with those tools because I just feel like if I can't test your tool for like 1 or 2 days and, decide if I like it or not, I'm not really willing to give my credit card over when I haven't even seen anything. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you focus on your workflow, because that is what is going to streamline everything. So you want to make sure that all your tools can work together and each of them have something very specific that they actually do, but then overall together, they're going to help your workflow and process run faster and smoother. Now, if you want to validate whether tools are going to be good or not before you even test them, make sure to check reviews and even tutorials. So what I tend to do is I actually go on YouTube and I search for those tools and their tutorials or reviews or anything like that, just to see what other people think of it, and also just to get a bit of a sneak peek inside without actually having to go through the whole sign up process. And you also want to remember to prioritize your return on income, or ROI. So the right tool should save you time or help you do something easier or faster or more streamlined. And when you do that, you want to ask yourself, is this investment going to help with those things? And is that going to be worth the money, basically? Let's chat next about the best part, creating your digital product. So whether you're creating an ebook or a template or a mini course, you've got to make something that actually looks amazing and delivers value. So here's exactly how I do it. So I've got Canva, that is my go-to for design. For example, I recently created a set of Instagram templates in Canva. I started with one of their pre-made designs and I swapped it out with my brand colors and fonts, rejiggled the layout a little bit, and voila, I've got a ready to sell digital product. Then with ChatGPT, I use that for like brainstorming, writing product descriptions, and even scripting emails. So recently I asked it for 10 product ideas for a beginner audience, and that was based around digital products, and it delivered some really great ideas in seconds. Now I've got another tool called Descript, and if you're creating videos or audio products or YouTubes, then this tool is a real lifesaver. So I recorded and edited a video course using Descript, and it saved so much time because I could put templates in there, I could edit by my transcription, and really the goal here is to simplify your process and your workflow, so you can go from an idea to a finished product without wasting time or money. As you explore these tools and get more familiar with them, think about how they would fit into your workflow and the types of products that you want to create. Because the more aligned your tools are with your vision, the easier it will be to bring your ideas to life. Okay, let's talk about the big one, which is marketing. So we've got System.io, that is my all-in-one marketing powerhouse. So that's the one that I can set up funnels on, you can do email campaigns, and you can even host your products on it. So the next tool I'm going to mention is one that you know very well, which is YouTube, because you know what is better than paying for ads is creating free evergreen content. So I started posting tutorial videos on YouTube, and not only did it bring me traffic to my products, but they are still working for me right now. Because what makes YouTube so effective is not only does it have the capabilities to reach a massive audience or have really good SEO, your videos can show up in searches years and years into the future, bringing you consistent organic traffic. And very recently, I have also seen YouTube actually appear in ChatGPT. So when I have been searching for an answer to a question, somebody's YouTube videos have been appearing up there. So that is very interesting. So the next tool is HoppyCopy. So if you are writing emails or sales pages, then this tool makes it really easy to take your ideas and basically refine your words and make the copy so that it connects with your audience. When I started using HoppyCopy, I noticed that the emails that I was writing, especially the subject lines, they were getting constantly clicked and they were getting way better open rate. Now remember, the goal isn't just to market, it's to build a system that attracts, engage, and converts your audience. Right, let's address a question that I get asked all the time. How much do I spend on tools? Here's the thing, investing in the right tools doesn't actually have to break the bank. And personally, for me, it's all about getting value for money. For example, I use Canva and they do have a free plan, but I use the pro version, which costs me I think about $12.99 a month, and it is worth every penny because you get the premium templates, you get, the cutout features, you just get so much more, and that money is just so worth it. Another tool I use is System.io, which helps me do all my email marketing and my funnels and my web pages and all that kind of stuff. Now, believe it or not, they actually do have a completely free plan which you can use, but I use the $47 a month webinar plan, which is exactly what it sounds like. It gives me that extra feature of being able to do webinars. Then the last tool I've got is ChatGPT, and you can use the free version and it works really, really well for basic tasks, but I've upgraded to ChatGPT Plus, which is about $20 a month, I think. It's just faster, it's got better memory, it's got more advanced capabilities. So when you add it all up, I'm probably spending less than about $100 a month to run my entire digital product business. And all of those tools, they save me time and make me money. And the best part about these tools is that you can start with the free versions of most of them and then just upgrade as you grow, because that's exactly what I did. Okay, now here is the very last thing that I want to basically hammer home, and that is marketing and building on your own platform is the most rewarding move that you'll ever make as a digital product creator. So for example, I have grown my YouTube channel and my email list at the same time. Now, what that means is that I have a direct line to my audience no matter what happens to YouTube. So I don't have to worry about algorithm changes. I don't have to worry about the platform going down, anything like that. I just rely solely on my platform and my email list. And let me tell you that it is way more stable than relying on third-party marketplaces or only on social media. If you haven't started an email list, then today, my friend, is the day. If you take away anything, just do one small action at a time. And you can start with drafting a welcome email or using something like System.io to set up and collect email addresses to make sure that you're set up for long-term success. And now for that bonus tip that I promised. And that is a tool that will save you hours every week while helping to grow your audience and get people on that email list. And that tool is called Interact Quiz. So basically what you can do is you can create these really fun personalized quizzes that engage your audience and also capture their email address at the same time. And if you're really clever, you can also sell your digital products at the end. For example, I created a quiz called the Money Map, which is an interactive guide to help you choose your path to profits with digital products. So people will go through the process and sign up with their email address to get their answers or get their personalized money map. And then it will be sent to them automatically after they finish the quiz. Now, on that very last page, I also show them a digital product that will help them as well. So they've gone through the process and I've said to them basically, here is your plan. This is what I think you need to do, and here is the product that I recommend that you take me up on because it is going to help you. Now that you know how easy it is to sell digital products, market digital products, and create digital products with the right tools, it's time to take action. So make sure you download that free tools list in the description and start setting up your system, start going through your workflow, and basically let all of these tools do the heavy lifting for you. Because building an online business doesn't have to be stressful. It can actually be really fun and totally achievable with the the right setup. And hey, if you guys enjoyed my content today, please make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below of the video. I try and answer every single one of them. And make sure to watch this video next because it's going to help you level up even further.